I'm Joshua Clem with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about a toilet system that takes a little bit too long to fill. For this, we're just going to be removing the back and working with the fluid master or system in the back. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the back top. This is porcelain, so you want to be very careful with it. They do break rather easy. Now here's our system that actually puts the water into the back of the tank. Most common problem with this is it builds up with calcium and rust. For that, it's a very simple fix. You just push down on the valve to allow more water to come in and then let go. And you want to do this very fast and repeatedly. This will allow a lot of the calcium and rust to break loose. You can also kind of tap it on the side a little bit to break loose that stuff there, and then just continue to do this. And you should see some chunks floating around in there that actually broke loose from the system. So you just simply press on the valve and up, press, up. Another thing, you might want to go ahead and make sure that your toilet shutoff valve is on all the way. A lot of times people turn that about halfway, so that way not as much water is running into the back of the tank. You might want to go ahead and make sure that that's on all the way. I'm Joshua Clem with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to fix a toilet that takes a little bit too long to fill. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.